October 22nd, 2023. I'm going to do a quick walkabout on pink poppy. Just completed a little bit of a fall cleanup. The 3-in-1 herbicide treatment that I did like 2.5 weeks ago has worked out really well, getting rid of all the weeds so the grass can grow. And I also gave it a phosphate treatment to strengthen the roots. Most of the penta flowers have finally given up, which is pretty amazing. So they've been in the ground since April and produced some really great flowers. Did a trim on the Native American hawthorns over there in the corner next to the weeping yaupon. I looked at a video of May this year, and these Carolina sapphire cypress trees have doubled, 2.5 maybe times the growth since May. So that's pretty cool. Here's one of my last remaining pentas, which are still pretty healthy. Beautiful flowers. Here's a monarch butterfly. Kind of neat. This is where northerners get a little confused when they look at the yard, and it's I think 7 or 8 days from Halloween. Did a light trim on the boxwoods, just not even a full trim, just a light trim. Just touched up this holly tree here. But everything's pretty neat, and you know, the grass is doing really well, pushing through some of the no-nos that were here. Now these were a very hardy weed, and you can see them all over the place here. And these have been killed from the herbicide treatment, and the goal is to get some grass to grow through, which I can see it happening already. So I think we're going to be okay. It's all an experiment. Did a little trim on the viburnum trees. These are very pretty, happy trees. And here's a 18-inch pine needle. But you can see the berries. Anything with berries, you know, the birds like. Just about. This is my new 10-year termite treatment. A lot different than what they used to do. They used to like inject it into the ground, but this has got it's like a cylinder, and it's got a cell inside that attracts the termites if there are any, which thank goodness we don't have any. But it's, you know, preventive maintenance, not cheap. Like almost $1,600 to install these, and then $300 a year to inspect. And this is the camellia, which looks like it's getting ready to blossom. There we are. A whole bunch of little blossoms here coming. These are gorgeous. They're short-lived. That's the only problem. They last a couple of weeks, and they look like a rose. I'm thinking of letting them grow out a little bit, but I like them that way too. I like them that size. So the ligustrum, this had a trim also, as did this one, and that third one over there is, I'm trying to keep going. It had some bad sections which I cut out. It still seems to be wanting to grow. And once again, these are the perennial viburnum. I was just going to say, these little yellow butterflies seem to love it. There it is. Got a pair of them here. Yep. There we go. They're supposed to be the fastest flying butterflies, speediest butterflies. This is another perennial penta. This has got a honeybee on it. Bird activity seems to be picking up. You know, they're going to migrate down here, and then it really gets interesting. This is the red-tipped photinia, which is still blossoming, doing quite well. This is the palm grove that's lit up at night. It's got two night lights on the ground and one up above in the tree. Seems to be doing well. So a lot of potted plants have bit the dust, so I've kind of emptied them out. Not sure what I'm going to do yet next year. My neighbor next door mowing his lawn. So I see some activity on the bird feeder. I just added some new suet, and I think this bird here, let's see what I can do as far as getting a close-up. Believe it or not, I can call the birds. Once again, one of the more thrilling videos that can ever be watched on YouTube. So this Carolina sapphire cypress is doing awesome. It's almost up to my neck. And this is bug resistant, drought resistant, with a beautiful bouquet. Oh, look at this. Our shadow here says it's exactly noontime. That's cool. I think it's a little bit off because, you know, it's later in the season. Probably like 11:45. A lot of these birds are wanted, so they don't want to be on camera. So here's the story. Pine Ridge is a equestrian, golfing, and bird sanctuary. Here they come. Butterfly, pretty sparrow. Community association formed 51 years ago with bylaws that indicate a large 220-acre green zone, an equestrian center. That green zone turned into an official golf course, I think in 1991. And the bird sanctuary, they stopped using the term bird sanctuary in 1999, I think, or 1996, and they changed it to a no hunting zone sign, but we were grandfathered in, so we are officially, I think, one of 3 equestrian, golf, bird sanctuaries in Florida, and perhaps one of 3 historical communities, which means it's more than 50 years old in the country. So that is so cool. So we're waiting for the golf course to be reestablished, and yours truly might even get a membership there, even though I don't golf, but just to support the community. Okay, so that's you got a little view of the property, and the butterflies are very active. We have some very pretty purple wildflowers. I'll show you. I don't know what they're called. This corner, you may recall, that we're walking towards is the untouched area with 4 sand tortoise homes, and these purple wildflowers are amazing. Oh, here comes a little butterfly. So lots of butterflies. They're going to work. Oh, here's another one. Oh, that's cute. They're sharing. And he says, no, I'll go over here to my own. We do have a lot of butterflies in Florida. Hummingbirds, sand tortoises. Lots and lots and lots and lots of birds. So this is kind of a very active area right now because we have these flowers. And it's late, getting late in the season. Alrighty. Well, that's it from this end of the fence. Hope everybody's doing well. Stay safe. And try to do something good for everybody, or for a person today, every day. Try to do something good, even if it's holding a door open, reaching up if you're 6'4" in Walmart, reaching up and grabbing something for somebody on the top shelf, whatever. Just try to do something good for someone every day.